Hello everyone, welcome to prevent the solution given this nice exponential equation which is 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power x, this is equal to 36. So this is the value of x. Now solution here, 3 to power x times 3 to power x, this is in the form of 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. Okay, now we'll have 3 to power x plus x, this is equal to 36. Okay, so here we'll have 3x plus x, this is 2x, this is equal to 36. Okay, so now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides, so that we'll have log 3 to the power of 2x, this is equal to log 36. Now from here, log 3 to the power of 2x, this is actually in the form of log a raised to the power n, which you can express as n log a. Okay, so applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 3 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 3, this is equal to log 36. Now from here, we divide both sides by log 3, so that now we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 36 divided by log 3. Now we can be able to express 36 basically as 9 multiplied by 4. Okay, now we can also further express 9 basically as 3 to power 2, and also we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Okay, so let's substitute this here. We'll have 2x, this is equal to log 3 to power 2 multiplied by 2 to power 2 divided by log 3. Okay, now log 3 to power 2 times 2 to power 2, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Okay, so applying this logarithm property, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 3 to the power of 2 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 3. Okay, now log 3 to the power of 2. Okay, applying the power rule property, okay, applying this power rule property, this becomes 2x, this is equal to log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 2 divided by this log 3. Okay, so let's proceed here to simplify. Let's simplify here, so that we'll have 2x is equal to 2. Now let's simplify here. Log 3 and log 3 simplifies, so that we'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus, this is 2 log 3, log 2 divided by log 3. Now log 2 divided by log 3, this is basically in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this property, so that we'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Okay, so that now x is equal to, this is 1 plus, this is 1 plus log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x, this is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x, which is 1 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now let's verify. Now we have that, if you recall, we end that 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x, this should give us a value of 36. Okay, now we say that 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x, this is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. Okay, so this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 36. Let's substitute the value of x so that we'll have 3 to the power of 2 times the value of x here is 1 plus log 2 to base 3. So this should give us a value of 36. Now let's multiply here. Let's open the bracket. We'll have 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 2 times 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. Now, as you can see, 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. Okay, so applying this property, we'll have 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 36. Now, 3 to the power of 2, this is basically equal to 9, okay? And then we have that 3 to the power of 2, this is 3 to the power of 2 log 2 to base 3. Actually, 2 is the power, so we can express this as 3 to the power of log 2 squared to base 3. Let's proceed. Now, 3 to the power of log 2 squared to base 3, this is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is actually equal to a, okay? So applying this logarithm property, you find that 3 to the power of log 2 squared to base 3, this is equal to 2 to power 2, okay? So let's substitute this. So remember we have 3 squared, which is equal to 9, multiplying by 3 to the power of log 2 squared, which is actually 2 squared, which is basically equal to 4. This should give us a value of 36. 9 times 4, this is equal to 36, which is equal to 36. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that basically affirms that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.